Welcome back, biscuits. So today we are going to get through lots of cleaning and tidying, and we are going to shake and dance to it because I wanted to talk about, one of the things I hear from people is, when I discovered your channel and all your silly cleaning videos, it really inspired me to have a good time, be goofy with cleaning, and not take it as some kind of chore where you're miserable the whole time. Like, I gotta clean this, because why go through life hating things that you have to do anyway, right? To keep your home up. So I love just sticking on our music. I actually bought a little tiny, on Prime Day, it was $12, a little speaker finally, because I always play off my laptop. So far I haven't actually figured out how to get the speaker to connect to my phone, but eventually I will be able to play my speaker music because it makes me happy, right? It's simple, small things. When I have a big pile of dishes, sometimes I'll bake a whole bunch of stuff all together. So I might make a big homemade lasagna, I might make some brownies, I might make some cookies, or I might make some bread and some pizza, because I figure if I'm using the oven and so on, I might as well get a lot done. So it ends up being a lot of dishes to do frequently. My son loves to, have a lot of dishes for each single snack or piece of a snack, and so frequently I wind up with so many more dishes than you think a small family could possibly have, but somehow it works. So earlier in the day I was shooting a Patreon video where I was doing detail stainless steel polishing, and that got me kind of going on then doing the top of the stove, because Lord knows I just don't clean the top of the stove as much. I love cooking on a gas stove top. I really think you just get better heat penetration and grill marks and things when you're cooking on a gas stove top, but it is a little bit harder to keep clean because crevasses and spots turn up. They're just hard to scrub, and I don't want to hurt any of the enamel or anything on there. So I just find like a little delicate scrub brush, a towel, some paper towel to get any gunk that's needs to get tossed in the trash. It's not actually as hard as I always make it out to be in my mind. So if you have spots in your house where you're like, oh no, I can't do it, it's too hard, sometimes just starting and going in, you realize, oh, it wasn't as big of a task as you thought. And that can make, for me at least, a big difference where I go, oh yeah, look what I accomplished, you know. But I love it. I love having the clean, sparkly stove. I deep cleaned the whole stove. I did all the nooks and crannies on the face. I did not do the interior of the oven. That's a separate cleaning day. But it was just nice to know that the detail work in my kitchen is scrubbed up and tidy. Okay, biscuits, we have cleaned, we have scrubbed, we have mopped, we have swept and wiped down and scrubbed everything. I love it. I love having clean spaces. I've been on a big cleaning tear for the last week, and I've really been wanting to do a bunch of detail clean, tidy things up. Oh, I organized and cleaned out my son's room. I cleaned out the bedroom that I'm sleeping in right now while I wait for the mold remediation in my bedroom. And I've just been really enjoying getting into that whole nesting vibe of like wanting to clean your space and have it be tidy, which is great because this summer I was so unmotivated to get cleaning. I was just in a lockdown funk, and I feel like now that the season has so totally changed over, it's freezing cold, that I am ready to just make the house spick and span. So I'm going to see you in the next video, biscuits. Thank you so much for always requesting big long cleaning day videos, for coming along, thumbs upping these. And thank you so much to everyone. I can't believe the lovely, wonderful response I've gotten to the new merch that has popped up in the shop, of the mugs and t-shirts that I designed for this autumn and winter. Thank you so much for supporting and picking up merch. It is so sweet of you, and I love hearing from you that you're really enjoying the merch that I post, because I put a lot of love and a lot of my heart into it. I'll see you in the next video. Love y'all, biscuits.